looks like he's going on somebody's wedding. Are you singing for somebody's wedding song?
I have no
Indian
idea.
wedding song. He's like.
I was just humming desi dehati kind of tune.
That's what I said. Shh, let's listen to what he's singing. Alright, welcome back to another beautiful day, another beautiful vlog. And look at him. That's the cauliflower crust that we got from Trader Joe's, but we're not eating that right now. What did you see?
There's so much cauliflower stuff. Cauliflower,
We get
gnocchi.
gnocchi.
You wanna make gnocchi today?
So I'm really confused between two things now, whether cauliflower gnocchi or the cauliflower thins that we got yesterday. So confused right now.
So if you will make 1 cup of gnocchi, just saute it.
Yeah.
It only has 140 calories.
So we can just do half and half of this.
No, make 1 cup for yourself, 1 cup for myself.
How many cups does it have?
It has 2.5 cups.
Okay.
Even if you make the entire gnocchi, then it will be
330 divided by 2.
160 calories.
Yeah, so it's not bad.
So if you want to do gnocchi, we can do gnocchi.
Yeah.
today.
Don't think we're crazy. We never count so much of calories all the time. Just sometimes when we're working so hard, you know it. So that's why we are counting it. Otherwise,
gnocchi now.
we got 2 gnocchis. Remember?
Yeah.
One is with the gorgonzola cheese.
Oh no, we got 3 gnocchi.
3 gnocchis. 2 is the cauliflower, and 1 is the with gorgonzola cheese.
I'm just getting mad.
Are we gonna add a little bit of sauce? Yeah.
Marinara.
All right.
Basil, fresh basil and marinara.
You have to go and get the basil though.
I'll get it.
Alright, so we are making cauliflower gnocchi. This is from Trader. What?
इसमें हो जाएगा?
I think red वाले में हो जाएगा. Red वाले में. Cauliflower gnocchi from Trader Joe's. This has super clean ingredients, very delicious. We're just gonna add a bit of marinara sauce, basil, chili flakes. Yum! And then tomorrow maybe I'll show you the cauliflower thins recipe that I have it in my mind, and that recipe will blow your mind. Because when I told Mayank that recipe, he was like, ooh, right?
Yeah. That recipe
What are you boiling?
Gnocchi.
You don't have to boil, you just have to pan.
Bring 4 quarts of water to rapid boil, add gnocchi, boil until they float about 5 to 6 minutes, then drain, rinse. Oh, sorry. If you wanna eat boiled gnocchi, that's when you have to do.
Remember last time we did it on the saute pan, and that it had that nice crust, and it was very nice and crispy also.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but I got confused.
Let me put the camera here because my hand is
Alrighty. Let's see.
So anyways, I am already done with, we both are actually done with our workout today.
marinara नहीं है इसमें.
Side door में होगा?
Side door में नहीं है.
Okay. नया
खत्म हो गया था last time जब pizza बनाया.
नया वाला ला देती हूँ.
Oh, ये prego.
हाँ, मैंने. और एक भी है, if you want. But ये I think enough है. So basically तुम्हें cauliflower पहले वो करना होगा.
Yes.
Saute until it's nice and crispy, and then add the sauce and basil and everything.
Alrighty. So you saute this, and I'll get the basils.
Basil. Now because we have fresh basil plant, we're gonna use fresh basil. Today's workout was also so intense. This is basically gupshup. If you guys have eaten gupshup, let me know in the comment section below. This is like my favorite peanut snack. But इसमें at least cauliflower सब अलग-अलग variety की है.
लौकी में सब अलग वैरायटी की डाली थी मैंने.
क्या?
उसमें लौकी के कोफ्ते थे, लौकी के छिक्कल थे, लौकी की चने की दाल थी. वो कहाँ है? बोर्ड देखो.
So this is basically, take some olive oil in your pan and that's it, and just saute them. So there are 2 ways to make it. Either you want to boil it and make it,
You
or
can microwave it.
you can microwave it, or the best way to make it is in a pan. You don't have to boil or anything, just add a bit of oil and add the gnocchi, toss it around until it softens up, and then you can see a little lightish brown color like this on the outside. That's when you'll see they are ready and they are the best way to eat it. You can add your sauce or whatever you want basically.
Alright guys, we are having a dinner and we are watching this movie Home Sweet Home on Amazon Prime. Is it good? We are having it after so long.
So freaking good.
Okay, so we are gonna go enjoy our dinner. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So last night we just passed out after having our dinner and everything, and today I have taken shower and everything because today is an active rest day, so we don't have to work out. So I took shower in the morning, shaved and everything, and I'm working. I just came here to grab the water bottle because I have to finish like 6 of these in order to keep up with my water intake, and I'm stuck with some work, so I'll be feeding Marvel a little bit late today. He's lying down over there. This is typically his time for me to feed him, but today I'll feed him like 9:30ish after I get done with one of my meetings. So I'll see you guys then. Instead of working from office, I have to work from over there, sitting on a floor because my laptop is giving me some issues with the Wi-Fi connection, so I've hooked it directly into the modem. So I guess that's how my day is gonna be, and I have to figure something out. Maybe once Tanya is back, we are gonna redecorate our office and see if I can hook the modem into the office and have a direct connection to my laptop, because I am tired of it right now. So let's see. Still figuring out what to do with my Wi-Fi connection issues. My laptop just keeps dropping off my Wi-Fi. So this is gonna be my workplace for today. Right guys, so I don't know how Tanya is gonna feel about this, but I guess I'm gonna be redecorating the office, and there is a lot of work that needs to go into it, because you can see how everything is so well done with the whiteboard over there and tables and everything and all of this stuff. So it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but I guess I gotta do it because I cannot just take it anymore with my laptop. So we'll see about that, but for now I think I need to come up with a solution. Before I move anything, I'm testing my Wi-Fi connection over here. So if it goes smoothly, then I'll just move everything. Hey guys, so let me give you a quick look of what I did, and those of you who have been following us for a while knows how our office looked before versus how it looks now. So here it is. It's a little dark. So you enter here. So I have done Tanya's setup all over there, and my setup against this wall all over here. So we are back to back, and she has more open space. She still have space to do her workouts in here. So I think we still have space to do our workouts, or else once she is back, I'll ask her if she needs to do any other change, like we can put her desk this like over here, move this from here, but I think this is good for now. We'll change if she thinks we need to change, but that was it. I guess I had to do it because of my laptop Wi-Fi troubles. I almost used 30 minutes of my lunch break, so I gotta go eat something for real. I haven't eaten anything since morning because of my IMF, intermittent fasting. I'll tell you guys all about it, like I promised to do a separate video for what we are doing. For now, I gotta drink some water and eat something and get back to work. And this is much happier space. So anyways guys, thank you for watching us. Thank you for all your love and support. We are gonna see you in our next vlog, and until then, bye bye.